Actually, on the count of three, I just want you to yell out the department that you dislike the most. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. But if somebody asked me, how would you make an industry 10 times better? My answer would be to start from zero, to reimagine. Let me reframe this question a little bit. If I asked you to lose 2 pounds in 4 weeks, what would you do? Well, you would tinker. You would you change your diet a little bit. You would change your routines. Maybe you change your sleep. Maybe put away that bag of chips just for a minute. That's how you'd lose 2 pounds in 4 weeks. Now, if I asked you to lose 20 pounds in 2 weeks, what would you do? And you can't use Ozempic. That's cheating. What you would do is you'd have to reimagine. You have to reimagine how you do your fitness, your diet, your routine, your sleep, your entire day to lose 20 pounds in 2 weeks. That's an impossible question to ask. Yet every single leader is actually asking this question today, secretly, which is, how do I do exponentially more with way less? And in order to answer that question, you have to start from zero. And the reality is that I know that you might think how to start from zero, but we all live and work within an organization. And an organization is complex. You're working with other people, other groups, other departments, processes, technologies. And it's sometimes very difficult to innovate because it's not just on you. There's other people within your organization. There are other departments that might prevent you from actually innovating. And actually, this is gonna be a bit of a group therapy session for a second, okay? Because I know there might be some departments in your particular organizations that might be stopping you from innovating. And for the first time in your life, I want you to just let it out, okay? Actually, on the count of three, I just want you to yell out the department that you dislike the most, okay? Just for a second, okay? All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my God, I didn't believe that you would do it, actually. I heard IT, HR. Did somebody say legal? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There's going to be roadblocks. There will be individuals and departments that will stop you. It's funny because this theme is about shaping the future together. And actually the best way to shape the future together, it's actually starting with yourself. It's actually starting from zero, using AI yourself. And these are some questions that I think you should be asking, which is number one, which is, what would you eliminate? Like, what would you eliminate in your existing processes and how you do work today? Number two is, what would you delegate? Like I said, we live in a world of infinite leverage. So what would you go off and delegate to others? And number three, what requires more humanity? What can we double down on as practitioners?